My name is Carol, and I'm here to share some very unique and extremely helpful material with you about healing ovarian cysts and PCOS. So if you suffer from any type of ovarian cyst, including very large cysts, multiple cysts, dermoid cysts, and follicular cysts, then you're in the right place. I'm going to tell you my story because it's probably very similar to yours. And if you watch this entire video, I'll do more than just tell you a story. I'll give you the solution I discovered and use to this very day. In this free video, I'll show you how to get rid of your ovarian cyst or PCOS-related symptoms, such as pain and discomfort, using an all-natural therapy in the next 48 hours and completely eliminate your ovarian cysts within 30 to 60 days. There are 3 easy principles you must understand in order to eradicate ovarian cysts for good. 1. What an ovarian cyst really is and why you have it. 2. What doesn't work and what makes your condition worse. 3. The only proven way to get rid of ovarian cysts and PCOS symptoms forever.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested.
By embracing these 3 principles, you can banish the symptoms of ovarian cysts and PCOS disorder, such as pain, bloating, and stomach discomfort, in the next 48 hours. Permanently eliminate the root cause of ovarian cysts within 30 to 60 days. Become more relaxed and enjoy excellent sleep. Restore your internal balance and lose extra weight. Increase vitality and dramatically improve the quality of your life. You might be wondering who I am. My name is Carol Foster, and I'm a certified nutrition specialist, health consultant, medical researcher, and author. I'm also a former ovarian cyst sufferer. Over the past 7 years, I've helped women in 157 countries to permanently eliminate ovarian cysts and PCOS-related symptoms. And today, I would like to help you. Chances are I know exactly how you feel because I've been there myself and seen it with thousands of my clients. Maybe you're extremely confused about your ovarian cyst condition. You're distressed because everything you tried has not worked. You're fed up with all the empty promises, quick fix scams, and sleazy treatment ripoffs. You want something that works, and works quickly, to get rid of your ovarian cysts and prevent their formation for good. Are you frustrated because you know there must be an answer to your problem, but you just haven't been able to find it? Well, you just found it. Imagine this. You wake up one morning, 4 to 6 weeks from now, and it hits you. Your ovarian cysts are gone, wiped out completely. There's no pain or bloating sensation in the stomach area. You don't need painkillers or other drugs, and you feel lighter, healthier, and more energetic than you have in ages. And it's all because you finally figured out the answer you've been searching for. The sharp, stabbing pain was what started my nightmare. I was 31 and experiencing life at its fullest. My days were hectic. I was handling responsibilities at work, only to come home and have more duties. The stress was mounting, but I was still in control. Unfortunately, that was about to change. One evening after work, I headed to a local restaurant with some friends. After spending 3 hours in the restaurant, I suddenly felt a stabbing pain in my lower abdomen. I thought it might be something I'd eaten, and felt relieved when the pain diminished as I went to bed. The next morning, however, the pain became more intense again. Little did I know that my life was about to take an unexpected turn. Within a few days, that on and off pain in my abdomen became a sharp and worrying pain, followed by irregular periods. Sometimes the pain was so excruciating that I could not sleep. My stomach felt like I was going to explode. Unless I took a stack of painkillers, no matter what I tried, I could not get away from that pain. Things only got worse from that point on. Not before long came a new set of symptoms: severe bloating, painful sex, missed periods, and pain in my lower abdomen that simply would not let go. I finally made an appointment with my family doctor. He diagnosed me with a small ovarian cyst and referred me to an OBGYN who put me on birth control pills and painkillers. Worse yet, I was still experiencing the same sharp pain and debilitating symptoms. I traveled from doctor's office to doctor's office, looking for some relief, any relief. 1 month went by, and the second ultrasound revealed that my ovarian cyst had grown larger. I was terrified. My doctor suggested that I undergo surgery to remove the cyst to prevent further complications in the future. One of these complications would be my inability to have children. It's either a procedure or infertility.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,